Hi, let's bake this classic vanilla recipe. It requires just simple materials. I will list the ingredients out later. In a bowl, I'm going to put margarine. Here I used L'Oreal, but you can use any good margarine. Then you are going to whisk until it's softened a little. Then go ahead to add your granulated sugar. Yes, granulated sugar, and whisk it. You're going to combine until they come together a little, then add your vegetable oil or sunflower or any good oil can be used. Then I'm going to keep whisking, scrape, turn, whisk. We are going to do this until they are pale white. Everything combined and pure white, just like this. Look at the consistency we are trying to get. Yeah, now the next thing I'm going to do is to add my eggs one after the other. Please for this recipe we'll be using room temperature egg, not cold, not warm, room temperature, and fresh eggs. Now we'll add one after the other. Here I am adding my flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Yes, all combined. And we are using the alternative method for this recipe. What do you mean by alternative method? You add your buttermilk and your flour. If it's plain milk you are using, fine, but for this recipe we are using buttermilk. So you scrape the sides, you add, alternate. Please go easy so you don't splatter flour everywhere, just like I did. You can also do this with your stand mixer. Yeah, but I needed you guys to, if you don't have stand mixer, you get to see what I'm doing. Now I just added my clear vanilla. Yeah, you can also use dark, but I prefer the clear vanilla. Then whisk for a few seconds. Pour in your baking pan. I'm using a size 8 loaf pan. Tap, 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 so that air bubbles are out. You don't want air bubbles in these. And look at the batter, lush. Here, ta-da! Our cake is ready. Guys, this recipe is really nice. Like, nice is not too sweet, is it just have the perfect taste. Spongy, fluffy. And please, if you are not following me, please do follow so you can have access to yummy recipes. Thank you for joining. Bye.